This is Blair with Cora Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery in the Defibtech Lifeline AED. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. The pads have a 2-year expiration. The expiration date is located on the outside of the pad package. To find this date, flip the device over and look at the date on the outside of the package. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the pads, unplug the connector from the top of the device and pull the pads out from the back. Then you're going to take the new pads and slide them in so the wire is hanging out of the bottom left hand. Don't tuck it all the way in just yet. Now you take the connector, plug it into the top, then you can go ahead and tuck the wire into the back of the AED. The main battery has a 5-year warranty. The Defibtech AED and battery are unlike any other AED in the fact that it has a main battery to power the unit, but it also has a 9-volt battery to conduct the self-test. If the light is not flashing, it probably means it's time to change the 9-volt battery. It should be changed every 6 months unless you have a 2018 device or newer. Those 9 volts should last about 5 years. The AED will work without a 9-volt battery, but it won't perform any of the self-tests. To install or replace the battery, turn the device on its side and press the button to remove the battery. You take the old battery out, take the new battery. Let's make sure there's a 9-volt in there. And then you just take the new battery and you're going to pop that back into the AED until you hear it click.
Performing battery pack self-test. Battery pack OK.
Once you change the pads and battery, verify the active status indicator flashes green and the AED is rescue ready. If you have any questions or need to talk about purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call. Our number is 800-695-1209, or you can go online at www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.